Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be drawing a quick pose in which we are having a character using an object to strike at something. So when you have your pencil ready, we are all set to go. I'm going to do this in one certain way in which the character is holding he's holding an object with both hands. So to easily do this, I think that we will just have an arc, circle right there, an arc, that is the main body, circle. Now this could be parallel to this. I think if it's parallel to this, it will be better. So place your circle somewhere there instead of and then arc smaller, arc somewhere there. Now let's actually go to this one first. So we're going to have circle right there. Just draw a circle and then one line right there, oval. So you could make out that these are the shoulders, those are the arms. Another arc going right over, and another circle right here, but ending right on top of the other one like that. So this is just one way that we are trying this, and again you might find that your placement is a little different. Now there's one thing that's very important: have one line go through like that through both circles. We start off right here with the arms, with the hands, sorry. So that is the first hand. And for this, you can actually Google some images. You could also model your own hands. Now, since that one is facing that way, this one has to essentially face the other way, but we have to keep in mind that they're both holding the same object. So the way the placement is most of the time in this is that the knuckles can actually line up. And you could have a set of fingers there, knuckles right there. Could have the thumb right there and a thumb right here. And that is of course the back of the hand. Now that doesn't, I've just put it there because according to the angle, that might not even like show this much, but in comicdom it's okay to show a bit of that top of the hand behind the knuckles right there, signifying that he's holding an object. We're going to run a line along that object just to show that, yeah, it's right there. And then we will determine what the object is later, but right now we need to get going and put down that pair of arms that is actually carrying that object. So I have made them outstretched, and you'll see that when it's outstretched, the anatomy is accordingly stretched out as well. But in this case, since we are using a bit of the perspective and angle there, so the placement is not exactly like this. It would have been like this if he was holding the object right in front. We'll be doing one of those as well, but this is the more challenging one, and right there will be the chest somewhere, right about there. Right about there is his torso. And of course it depends on what he's wearing, what character it is. And then of course the head. In this case, if he's looking directly at the object, he's hunched a little bit, as you can see. He's holding the object right in front of him. So if he's looking somewhat a little down, most likely it's going to be that way. And of course, all the details will come in and you will build upon that. This is commonly, I figure, used for a sword. And I'll just color that in so that it just stands out a little better. And please do keep in mind that the placement of the fingers could be this way, that way, or it could be straight, depending on how you wish to have him hold that sword. So that is the general idea of having the character hold something, and that is from this particular angle. Now you could have him hold anything at all. It could be a club, it could be a baseball bat, it won't really matter. But that is just one way, with a little twisted angle thrown in there. And of course you will make the drawing better as you go by incorporating details and shadows into the artwork. So that is the general idea. I hope that this has been of some help. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.